my YouTube friends? Today is what is it, January the 7th, and I just got finished doing a makeup no makeup type of look. I just did my brows really quick, and then I put a little bit of concealer under the eye and used some highlighter. And you know, I'm not gonna share everything, because if y'all want me to film a makeup, a no makeup look, let me know down in the comment section and I will film that for y'all, because it turned out okay. Because later on I'm supposed to be going to Trader Joe's, but now I'm about to head downstairs to I'm about to go downstairs to take down my Christmas stuff, and I wanted to share that here on my channel. Before I go downstairs, I just wanted to show you really quick what I got from the Sephora sale when they had the extra 20% off of clearance. And I got this highlighter by Smashbox. And you guys, look how beautiful the packaging is. Of course, I got it because of the packaging. Not sure how the highlighter works, but I got it for the packaging. Let me swatch it. It's so pretty, you don't even want to swatch it. Look at that. I should have tried this today, since I didn't put no foundation on. Like I said, I just used concealer. So I should have tried this on my face today to see how it looks. But it don't even matter, the packaging is just so cute. And then I also ordered this diamond cut buffing brush. This was another item that was on sale. Yo, when I tell you, this brush is soft, like so soft, it makes me want to look into those makeup brushes that looks like this kind of. And I was going to do a makeup tutorial using this brush on the, I had got a sample of the new Laura Mercier foundation. So I was thinking of using this the day I do decide to film that video. And then it also came with this little, case. So I just thought this was just so cute. Again, this was on clearance as well, and you was able to save that extra 20%. So I'm going to try that out to see how that works. So now I'm on my way downstairs to go ahead and get everything out, to go ahead and start putting up my Christmas tree. I love Christmas stuff. Like, Christmas stuff to me is just so, it just made, having my Christmas stuff up just made my house so nice and cozy and just warm. And you know, so now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that empty space, since the tree is about to go. So the next time you see me, I will be taking down the tree. Okay, y'all, I got my tree right here. I'm about to start taking the stuff down. I got my hats that I've been using for the past few Christmases, for the past year, because I got these at a good price, and these are like really good hats. And I wasn't able to go shopping this year, so I couldn't get no new stuff, so I have to use what I have. And I have my containers right here, and I'm just going to put my stuff up that I have. I'm trying to think of which way. I think I had it in here. Yeah, I had them all like in a plastic bag. And then I have my Christmas bags that I'm also going to store, because these I can use again for next year. And then I have over here, I have my stockings, and I'll show y'all that in a minute. So I'm gonna start off with the tree. So you're going to be hearing music in 1, 2, 3.5 seconds. to get a new tree, but I don't know, for some reason I must go to the stores too late because I didn't see no trees. So it used to be a pre-lit tree, so that's why we had to add our own lights. Because when I tell y'all this tree is old, because like I said, I did mention that I wasn't gonna put up decorations, but it just looked so bare in my house. I was like, So when I tell you I fluffed the heck out of this tree, y'all. I fluffed the heck out of it because I was determined to make it look good. So that's why you see me taking the lights off. I wish I can get another tree because I refuse to pay full price, you know what I mean? Everything is gone. I'm gonna try and keep looking though. They already got Valentine's Day stuff out already. That's why I like having a pre-lit tree, because with that, you didn't have to worry about, you know, the lights or anything. So once I finish taking everything apart, I will turn the camera back on because I know y'all don't want to just see me just take the parts off. But the good thing about this tree, all you gotta do is just fold it down and that's it. See, this is why I wish we had our pre-lit tree, because look at this mess. I don't know if I put 2 sets of lights on here or what. Of decorations here on the fireplace, so this is not much. This wasn't the type of garland I wanted, or whatever you call this up here. I wanted the kind that looked like the flock that had the acorns on it and everything, but again, I wasn't able to catch any good sales, so I had to use what I had. So yeah, I'm just taking these off. I made these really quick. I had some glue and glitter, and I just put Mom and shaked the glitter on there. And then I did Jemiah's and then my son's. They're not really that great, but you get what I was trying to do. They're older now, so it doesn't make sense for me to actually pay to have their name on their stockings anymore. Christmas is not as fun as it used to be. It was more fun when they were younger, in my opinion. Now they're older, so that's why, God willing, I would prefer to travel every holiday if we're able to, because it's like, how many toys and things can you buy? So that's one of my goals. I want to manifest for the year is to be able to travel more, especially around the holidays. Because our family is not here, so when we have holidays, we really don't get a chance to spend it with family, really. And they you know, all of them in Pennsylvania, so it's just, you know, it's just us. And after a while, that can get kind of boring, so. And I had these up here, but they kept falling, so. So that's all I had over here by the fireplace. I didn't do a whole lot like I normally do. And this here, you can see, I usually take some Christmas lights and put it under the fireplace because I like, you know, that fireplace lit look. So I'll take some lights and put them under here until they burn out, because last time I kept them under here and they burned out within a couple of months. So probably this time I may not keep them on as much, but I just like that look. So I'm going to keep that under there. So it might be a little dusty and dirty under there, so don't mind that. So now I'm getting ready to get my broom so I can sweep up that mess. And I do have that picture sitting over there because it was in the dining room. I finally took down the graduation stuff, y'all. I did, because I'm like, okay, 2018 is gone. So what I did, I put it in his room. So I did do that because I was gonna throw it away, some pieces, but then I was like, you can't get 2018 back again. So I did keep like the number 2018 and his little board that I made for him. So I did keep that stuff that had the 2018 on it, because like I said again, we can't repurchase anything for 2018. So now I just have to clean up all of this mess here, and I'm going to get the broom and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, like I mentioned, this video was really short. I just wanted to, you know, get on here and say Happy New Year's to you guys. I just wanted to say I am ready for 2019. I am ready for new opportunities. As you can see on my channel, if you already follow me, you see that I'm trying new things. Far as I did do a wig review. That was my first time ever doing it. So I hope you guys like that. And then I also did the review on the new LongChamp that really did good on my channel as of now. So I see that y'all really enjoying that. So hopefully y'all are liking the wig review type videos, because I do have another wig review coming up as well, because I purchased this particular wig from the beauty supply store. So I'm looking to upload that next. I'm looking to share you know, different makeup tutorials, more family vlogs. And if you have any video requests, just leave them down in the comment section, because again, I'm open to new things. I'm saying, because like I said, it's 2019 and I am trying to push my YouTube channel. When I say push it, I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. I'm halfway there, but not all the way there. So I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing, because I love doing YouTube regardless of the numbers of views or however that go. But I love what I do, so I'm going to keep pushing out that good quality content. And with that being said, I hope y'all have a wonderful week. Oh, and sometime this month or next month, you will be seeing a Trader Joe's haul, because today my daughter and I will be going to Trader Joe's, because they don't go back to school until tomorrow, which is January the 8th. So today, around probably after 4 or 5, we're going to be going, like I said, to Trader Joe's to go shopping. I'm not going to film us in Trader Joe's, because it's the same exact Trader Joe's. Like, we're not going to any newer Trader Joe's. So it's like, y'all don't want to see the same things over and over. I know y'all like seeing the haul, so that's what I'm going to focus on today. And let's see what else. Yeah, like I said, I didn't put up a lot of Christmas stuff, so that's why this video was really short. So again, happy New Year's, and I hope everything that y'all prayed for, wished for, put in y'all resolutions come through for y'all 10 times fold. I wish the same for myself as well. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to thumbs up this video, because it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified when your girl uploads her videos. And until next video, I will talk to you later. Bye.